CNBC-TV18 presents Crypto Corner, powered by CoinDCX.
On Crypto Corner today, we're going to be talking about futures and options as a segment which seems to be building when it comes to crypto markets in India as well. In the international markets, well, we've seen F&O, ETF and all that space do quite well. But for the Indian markets as well, it seems to be growing. Let's first of all take a look at the overall market scenario here. And we do understand that these numbers are via trade sources, which tell us that in 2024, the overall crypto market in India was to the tune of $2.5 billion. For 2025, that number is expected to increase up to $2.9 billion. And the estimates suggest that by the time it is 2029, we could be looking at that number almost at $5.4 billion. So it clearly seems to be growing from where we stand. And when it comes to the overall trading volumes, they have been trading at near record highs. And when you talk about the spot vis-a-vis the futures and options, it is 1:3 of a ratio where you have seen F&O as a market continue to grow. The reason for that is that the crypto futures, they resemble the standard futures and options market, which you have in various other asset classes as well. So not a difficult market to understand. The second point is that futures allow the traders to bet on the price of trajectory of the underlying asset. So the leverage playing in that sense is much on the higher side, again, as is the case with various asset classes. Now, the reason that you have seen increase in volume here is that you're looking at not just crypto enthusiasts, but investors and retail now becoming part of this as well. High leverage, of course, is one of the reasons here. And then you also have better tax rules in this case. When it comes to crypto, remember, we deal with very, very high taxes, nearly 30% flat. And then you also have 1% TDS with no set-off for losses. This is the case when you're trading in the spot markets there. Now, contrary to this, when you're trading in F&O market, that is the futures and options market, what you can see is that when you're looking at it attracts 1% TDS only when you're closing it. But when you talk about the futures and options market, in this case, profits are classified as speculative business income. And this is taxed according to the income slab, which mostly or sometimes is below 30%, making into better profitable gains. Well, that's about Crypto Corner. But with that, let's go for a short break. Come back with more news and stock specifics on the other side.
CNBC-TV18 presents Crypto Corner, powered by CoinDCX.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV18 on all the social media platforms.